Hello Lions, this is Wesley Paris, school social worker at Assumption. Today, in celebration of Black History Month, I am going to show everybody Nova Scotian style curry chicken. This recipe is dear to me. This is something that's kind of been passed down to me from my mother and grandmother. I want to let you know, coming from Nova Scotia, to share with everybody that Nova Scotia is one of the first Black Indigenous communities in Canada. And where I grew up, it's a community called East Preston, and I also have family in North Preston. Now combined, North Preston and East Preston is considered to be the heart of Canada because it is the largest and long-standing Black settlement in Canada. And that settlement has been there for over 240 years. It started back around the American Revolution in the late 1700s, and then migration also in the War of 1812. Another wave of Black loyalists and settlement came in, okay? So as I mentioned to you, today we are going to be doing Nova Scotian style curry chicken. So let me share with you the ingredients that are going to be using today, okay? So we have our curry powder, we have some pepper here, we have kidney beans, we have cream of mushroom soup, we have coconut milk, we have creamy chicken, some thyme, some allspice, and we have already pre-cut the onions and the peppers there, okay? And measuring. I came prepared today. Okay. I think obviously it's important that you know before you do any cooking that wash your hands. Obviously that's a must, and make sure you clean your chicken, okay? So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take a little bit of time. We're actually gonna go over here and we are going to start to saute the chicken. So I'm gonna turn it on medium low. And I already put some oil and stuff in here. You can use whatever oil you see fit. Okay, so right now I'm just sauteing the chicken right here. And we're gonna saute the chicken for about 10 minutes. And as we're sauteing the chicken here, we're gonna add a tablespoon of curry powder, okay? That's good right there. Mix it throughout. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. This is why sometimes I just like to use this here, just to make sure we're doing it correctly. So a teaspoon of salt here. And then we're gonna put a teaspoon of pepper, okay? That's good enough. And once again, as I said, 10-minute saute here. Gonna get all that curry powder and salt and pepper, mix it all in with the chicken here. Okay, so I just finished sauteing the chicken, sorry there, for 10 minutes as I mentioned. I'm gonna put it in this pan here. And after I put it in the pan, I'm gonna now put the cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup on here. So just follow me over here, okay? So I'm gonna dump this in here. Okay, we're gonna put about a half a cup of water in here, okay? And then I have a bigger can of cream of mushrooms. That's gonna be a little bit too much, so I'm gonna try to even this out here. Even that out. Make sure it's a cup cream of mushroom. Okay. And put that in here. Then I'm gonna put a half of the peppers in now, the green peppers. And half of the onions in now. Okay, and let me kind of stir and mix all this stuff up together. Mix it all in. Okay. Then I want to put a little bit more curry powder in here. Gonna put another 2 tablespoons of curry powder in here. There we go. Got curry. There we go. And stir it up a little bit more. And just to let you know, I already preheat the oven at 350, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're going to let this cook for 30 minutes, okay? At 350 degrees there. Look how this comes out, it's gonna be great, okay. Okay, it's gonna look something like this right now for now. $30. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to show you guys how to do some rice and peas. Now, you don't have to do the peas, which is the kidney beans if you don't want to, but for today, I'm gonna show you how to do the rice and peas. What we're gonna be doing right now is we're going to put a cup of basmati rice in here, and then we're going to put the coconut milk in. Oh, that's not coming out. I guess I need a little bit of help here. There we go. I guess I should turn this on too, right? Okay, once again, maybe about medium heat right there. Then we're going to put about, let's say, I say about half a teaspoon of allspice in here. Allspice. Give some good flavor. That's not coming out the way I want it to. Let's try the other one. That's good. That's good enough. And then we're going to put some thyme in here. Now, same thing. We're going to put about half teaspoon of thyme. Now, if you have fresh thyme, I encourage you to use that. It's always better. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this come to a boil, and it's going to come to a boil, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 15, I would say about 15 minutes, okay? And then I'll show you the finished product later. So it's gonna come to a boil, and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. And as I said, I'll show you the finished product later. And and then at that point in time, after the 15 minutes, I'm going to add the kidney beans, okay? And I forgot about the garlic, and just putting in the garlic as well, okay? Okay, so the rice and peas is ready. So this is what the rice and peas looks like. I added the kidney beans and I actually removed the garlic, okay? That was just more for the flavor there. And now I'm gonna show you what the chicken looks like right now, because I have to cook the chicken for another 30 minutes. That's what it looks like right now, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add the rest of the green peppers here, okay? And then I'm gonna add the rest of the onions here, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this back on for another 350, add another 30 minutes. There, put it back in, and it will be ready after 30 minutes. Okay, everybody, and here we go. This is the final product right here. This is our curry chicken with rice and peas. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that you may want to consider trying this recipe. I think it's great. Let me just dive in here. I like that coconut milk in that. It's good. Okay. Okay, so here's the recipe. Take a moment, snapshot, take a picture. Okay, everybody. Bon appetit.